Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing, this is a box from Influenster. This is a Vox box. So if you're not familiar with Influenster, they are an online, they also have an app. Basically, you try stuff out and they, well, how do you describe Influencer? If you are an influencer, leave it down below how you would describe them. Anyway, basically you sign up for Influencer, you connect all your social platforms, you tell them a bit about yourself, and then they offer you opportunities to try out different products and then review them, share them on your socials and all that stuff. A lot of times you don't have to do anything. They just send you like an email. You're like, oh, you want this? And I'm like, oh, sure. And then it shows up and I forgot that I ordered it, or forgot that I signed up to get it. And then there it is. So this is the Giant box. Giant is a grocery store. You might have them where you are. There's also like Giant Eagle. I think they're all affiliated together. They're kind of where we are. They're pricier, but we do shop there on occasion to get some like local, like not local, more exotic ingredients for dishes that we're making if we have to. They also do have some other cool things at their store that I like their bakery. They make the best. The cakes are delicious. All right. So we're going to open this up. These are all items that are available at Giant. I will link down below to my Influencer with my referral. I'll also link to my blog. I'll link to a bunch of other stuff. There's a bunch of links down there. If you just want to click them all. Just click away. Clickety click. All right. It says, no matter what the day brings, you're all set to eat with Giant. Congratulations. On top of snacks and goodies in your Vox box, we also send a gift card to redeem for a Giant cook and bag meal starter. Ooh, that sounds fun. Pre-marinated and ready to cook right in the bag. They're the latest in the lineup of easy meal ideas at Giant. That's kind of cool. You can choose from pork, chicken, or seafood. Oh, I love that. I love that idea. Especially if you're having people over. All right, so first up, we have the Giant brand yellow mustard and dill pretzel pieces. So I love pretzels, but I try to stay away from carbs. But 1 ounce of these, which is about 1/3 of a cup, has only 140 calories, which is not bad. And I love mustard, and I love dill. And I love, by the way, I do not like honey mustard. I don't like sweet. I like tart, vinegary mustard. So yellow mustard is key. They got me there. I'll eat them. I'll take it. And dill. You can't go wrong. All right. The Giant brand, if you're not familiar, if you've made it this far and you don't have a Giant, well, you must be interested then. I don't know. Maybe you're going to start a Giant or something. Their brand is Nature's Promise. So this is the Nature's Promise Kids Organic Vanilla Low-Fat Milk. This has added vitamin A and D, 8 grams of protein, and no high fructose corn syrup. This is an 8-ounce container. I wish they had prices in here of what this stuff costs. These are nice little, it is vanilla flavored. Did I say that? I don't know if I did. Vivian's a little, she would still drink that. My other kids are a little too old, but that's nice if you have little ones, right? All right, then we have Nature's Promise Kids. These are little squeezable fruit packets. There's like fruit on the go or whatever. This is apple, berry, banana. No synthetic colors, flavors, or sugar added. And then there's just apple. So there's those. 2 of those babies. Those are cute. My kids will eat. Even my 13-year-old would eat that. I don't care. She'll eat anything. Except stuff that she's supposed to eat, like dinner and, you know, ham sandwich for lunch or something. You know, normal stuff. Anyway, all right. Then we have the Nature's Promise Kids. This is a big bag. This has how many ounces? 8 ounces. Organic mini chocolate chip cookies. Those are cute. No high fructose corn syrup again. No GMO in ingredients. I don't know why. In compliance with USDA, National Organic Federal Regulations. I don't know what that actually means. And then no prohibited synthetic ingredients. I would really hope they wouldn't put prohibited synthetic ingredients in there. All right, so in every 7 cookies, so these are little, I can feel, you have 4 grams of saturated fat, 105 milligrams of sodium, and 8 grams of total sugars with 140 calories. So it's great if you're trying to, you know, have your kids eat healthily. And then we have a $25 Giant gift card for the prepared meat, which is kind of cool. So, for free. I didn't pay for any of this. By the way, they don't like, this is not sponsored. They do not pay me to do these. They send me the boxes, of course. I just share them with you guys because why the heck not? All right, so you get the cookies, the gift card, the mustard things, the milk, and the squeezable fruit. There you go. Like I said, if you're interested in checking out Influenster, I'll link to them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.